And now we're again assembled in this virtual platform for another national webinar entitled Entrepreneurship Development to Scientific Goat and Sheep Husbandry. So I first express my sincere gratitude to NIPA for giving me this another opportunity to address our respected and beloved participants in this new topic. This is a topic of vibrant one, because last week we have discussed on entrepreneurship through poultry farming. So this is also another kind, and scientific goat and sheep husbandry, employment and entrepreneurial venture. This is also a promising venture. So in this webinar and discussions, we will try to discuss regarding details on entrepreneurship development, as well as scientific goat and sheep husbandry, how we can perform these goat sheep husbandry in entrepreneurial mode. We will discuss. So in first part, we'll try to give you some insight regarding various aspects of entrepreneurship development, and in second part we will enlighten you regarding scientific goat and sheep husbandry in very brief, and then we will try to conglomerate or amalgamate these two concepts, entrepreneurship development and the ways are scientific goat and sheep husbandry, how we can develop an employment venture through this promising and vibrant livestock sector